Hi all, welcome to OneCast live session. Today we are going to talk something about how to start a career in SAP or about a career in SAP. Before that, let us discuss something about SAP. So people used to call it as SAP. So which we should not use it as SAP, we should call it as SAP, and it stands for System Application Automation. By when we talk about SAP, it's not just a company or software, but it's a product used by very best companies around the world. Now we earlier talked about ERP, but what is an ERP and how does it works in industry scenarios? So ERP is an enterprise resource planning and it integrates the management in main it integrates the business process in main business process in real time. So let us take some business example. Suppose if you want to buy a car and you go to a car showroom, so what are the process involved in ERP? Let us see it in video.
The finance team has to release the needed funds, and the human resource team has to allocate the manpower. Also, after production is complete, you have to send it for testing, then deliver the car to the showroom, and then finally you get the car. So you can see the process to buy a car goes through multiple teams who will have multiple things to do and would need to develop multiple reports also.
That is why there is a need to connect all the departments through a single software, and hence we use an ERP, and the market leader in ERP is SAP. So and almost we have seen the leader in ERP. So now let us watch on video on SAP and its presence in current scenario, like
SAP
what are the job
has
opportunities
65%
available
market
in
share in
recent
ERP.
trends.
It is the market leader in ERP. SAP has 413,000 customers in 188 countries. SAP has 1,600 plus partners spread globally. 13 million plus SAP certified professionals worldwide.
And that gives you the importance of SAP, isn't it? So now that we have some idea about SAP, so let us see something about the uses of SAP on different sector, and here we go.
About SAP, it is the world's largest provider of enterprise application software. For the world, 74% of the world's transaction revenue touches an SAP system. For business, SAP customers represent 98% of the top 100 most valued brands in the world. 87% of Forbes Global 2000 are part of SAP. For people, mobile solution from SAP reach 97% of the world's mobile subscribers via text messaging.
So we have seen what is SAP and how it works in an organization and what are the departments involved in it. So now let us talk about the opportunities, because at the end of this video viewers are looking for the opportunities in SAP. So here we go for the opportunities in SAP.
Approx. Employee base on SAP skills in India. Inside top 20 system integrators. Number of SAP skills employed, 1.17 lakh. Rest 1,600 partners. Number of SAP skills employed, 80,000. Total SAP skill base is approx 1.97 lakh. Calculation of fresher requirement in India on SAP domain approx. Total employee in SAP practice equals 1.97 lakh. Standard attrition every year 25% equals 49,000. Headcount fill plus new manpower requirement of 10% every year equals 49,000 plus 20,000 equals 79,000. 30% fresher requirement out of total 79,000 equals 28,000. Average salary roadmap. Fresher salary approx 350,000. Salary after 2 years approx 450,000. Salary after 6 years approx 750,000. Salary after 10 years approx 1,500,000. Salary after 14 years approx 2,200,000. Some facts on SAP consultant salary. Average entry-level salary 483,000 and other details can be seen on the screen.
Now that we have seen some of the best opportunities in industries, like we have seen top 20 systems integrated, which means they have a vacancy of 1.17 lakhs employees, and then when we are talking about the rest of the 1600 partners, we have around 80k employees as an vacancies. So totally we have a skill based employees vacancies 1.97 lakhs per year. So from that, for every year we have 25% of attrition, which means we still have a vacancy of 49k per year, and also for the freshers we have 30% of vacancies for every year. And now let us talk about something called modules. Before that, let me talk about some real-time example. Like take myself, I was coming from a finance background. So earlier I was working in a banking sector, and I was just switching over the career to SAP. So for that, what I chose as a career is I just chose FI as a module for me. So one of my friend who has been in a technical part, who was a programmer, and he also he also want to be in a part of SAP, and he took a module called ABAP. So let us talk something on the different modules that are available here. So there are two types of SAP modules. One thing is technical modules, and second thing is functional modules. So when we are talking about a technical module, we can say ABAP, Basis, Fiori. Whereas when you are talking about functional modules, we can say sales, finance, procurement, something like that. So here you can see the different kind of departments available in the organization.
Technical modules are the programmings inside SAP. There are modules like ABAP, Basis, Fiori which are catered to technical users. Functional modules are specific to each business specification, be it sales, finance, procurement, human resource, etc. SAP has a module for each. There are more than 500 modules in SAP. You can join us for a free counseling session to determine the right module for you. Simply fill the form in our Contact Us page.
Yes, from the starting we can just recap that what are the things that we have seen in this section. Like we have started from the how to start a career in SAP, and what are the different modules are available here, and how the ERP is running in every company, and what are the opportunities available in in an organization. So now immediately people are started to ask that how can my career progress in SAP. So here you can see a brief thing like how you can start from an SAP ecosystem. So from the base you have a different ecosystem like consulting, support, sales, project management, business users, and here you can see some of the path that you can go for your career progress. From the starting you can start from the business user, later you can go for consultant, and later you can go for senior consultant, and with those experience you can go for team lead, and if you want to do some freelancing you can do for that, and once you are getting more and more opportunity as a trainer, even you can go for that. And here you can see the video regarding the career progress in SAP.
You can choose from multiple careers in SAP. There are basically 5 opportunities in the SAP ecosystem: consulting, support, sales or pre-sales, project management, and business user. You can start your career as a technical consultant, functional consultant, or a business user. You can see on the screen how you can further progress in your career. So kickstart your career across SAP ecosystem.
So now let's talk something on training. One of the most important mode of training in SAP is through Learning Hub. So Learning Hub is used everywhere across the world. So let us see how Learning Hub works.
Learning Hub, SAP has made it possible for you to learn simple. Our cloud-based solution offers 24/7 unlimited access to high-quality content. And as soon as you start your subscription, you can interact with SAP experts and instructors via our learning rooms, who will guide and shape your learning journey for you. But did you know we have an edition of SAP Learning Hub for everyone? For those of you in higher education looking for a head start to your SAP career, you can sign up to the Student Edition through your university or college. The focus is on key solution areas to help you hit the ground running straight after graduation in your career in the SAP world. People who wish to learn more about SAP or who are SAP users already and looking to upskill should look at the Business User Edition. Overview courses, simulations of thousands of SAP transactions, learning rooms and more, and all at a very affordable price. Designed for professionals who implement and run SAP solutions, the Customer Edition of SAP Learning Hub has over 75 separate learning rooms, covering all aspects of SAP and offering access to over 4,500 training titles. It also includes everything you need to study for SAP certification, the mark of a true SAP professional. And for those larger customers and partners who want to personalize and add their own content to SAP Learning Hub, we offer the Enterprise and User Adoption Editions. The Enterprise Edition offers all the social learning and content from the Customer Edition, but includes greater reporting functionality, as well as the option to upload your own content. Organizations can also brand the platform to further personalize the learning experience for their teams. And for organizations that have a large number of users to train and keep up to speed, we introduce the newest member of the family, the User Adoption Edition. In addition to all the great end-user training content you would expect from SAP, tools and services are included to help you create and distribute content to end users, providing a one-stop solution for all their training needs. Of course, we wouldn't expect you to buy before you try, so we're pleased to offer you the Discovery Edition, completely free access to a growing range of titles and learning rooms, enabling you to experience the benefits of SAP Learning Hub. So, what are you waiting for? With an SAP Learning Hub edition for everyone, why not sign up and change the way you learn today? Visit us today to find out more.
So far, we have seen the Learning Hub and how it is going to help you out to start your career in SAP and if you want to study something on Learning Hub, and how Dexlearn is going to help you out for your best career. So here we can see the importance of Dexlearn 1 for your best career. So for the first thing is we are providing the Learning Hub for your respective modules, where you can have the query support to resolve all your queries, and the learning journey for customized learning path. So Adobe Connect sessions with module specific SMEs, assessments for benchmarking, access to job posts on the website, and finally you can get ready for job portals. Global certification. So if you want to contact us, you can go to the chat icon and you can reach us through your chat icon. And if you want to send any queries or related to your certification or related to your Learning Hub, you can send us a mail through marketing@dexlearn.com. And if you want to check more videos related to this, just visit our website called www.dexlearn.com. Thank you.